Hello student, good morning. In previous video we have seen peninsular rivers. Okay. In previous video we have seen peninsular rivers. So means which river origin from the peninsula. We have seen that due to the Western Ghat, okay, they change their water source. That's why they divided into two types: east flowing rivers and west flowing rivers. We have seen east flowing rivers, okay, meet in the Bay of Bengal, and west flowing river meet in the Arabian Sea. So in the previous video we have seen, okay, different means type of, you can say, rivers, just like Tapi, Narmada, Mahi, Sabarmati, Luni. Okay, all these rivers are the west flowing rivers. Now today's video we will see river meeting in the Bay of Bengal. Which rivers meet in the Bay of Bengal? Most of the area of the peninsula is drained by rivers flowing toward Bay of Bengal. So okay, most of the area of peninsula is drained by the rivers flowing toward the Bay of Bengal. Means those rivers join or meet to the Bay of Bengal. Okay, that river drainage the most of the area of, you can say, India. Just like in previous video we have seen the, you can say, east flowing rivers. Okay, they drainage the area the coastline of Arabian Sea. Which state? Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra and southern Gujarat. Okay, all these coastal area, coastal state, they drainage their water. So today's video will see which rivers are the importance, okay, or how they drainage their water in the Bay of Bengal. The important river system of groups are Mahanadi. Listen carefully: Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Okay, these are the main important rivers, and these are the east flowing rivers: Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Mahanadi basins occupy the northeastern part of the peninsula. So Mahanadi, these are some main rivers, and she occupy the northeastern part of the peninsula. जो पेनिनसुला का जो नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पार्ट है, ओके, वो टोटल एरिया उन्होंने ऑक्युपाई किया है अपने बेसिन में. गोदावरी, कृष्णा एंड कावेरी ओरिजिनेट इन द ईस्टर्न स्लोप ऑफ द वेस्टर्न घाट. और जो गोदावरी, कृष्णा और कावेरी, ओके, रिमेनिंग दिस थ्री रिवर्स, ओके, दे, यू कैन से, ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम वेयर? दे ओरिजिनेट ईस्टर्न स्लोप ऑफ द वेस्टर्न घाट. ओके, तो वेस्टर्न घाट है, पश्चिम घाट है, उसका जो ईस्टर्न स्लोप है वहाँ से उसका ओरिजिन हुआ है. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, महानदी जो, यू कैन से, मेन रिवर्स, एंड दिस महानदी, Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri, okay, these rivers meet to the Bay of Bengal, and all these rivers are the east flowing rivers. River Godavari is second largest river system of India in terms of the catchment of area. First we have seen river Mahanadi. Second, river Godavari is the second largest river system, okay, of India in terms of the catchment of area. Okay, मतलब to increase the water of Bay of Bengal, or to increase the, you can say, occupy the source of water. Okay, Godavari also second largest rivers. The south of Godavari is located basin of river Krishna, and to the south side of Godavari, okay, to the south of Godavari is located basin of river Krishna. Okay, river Krishna के basin में, okay, वहाँ तक means from the, you can say, from the Western Ghat, this largest Godavari, okay, rivers flows toward the basin of Krishna. Its major tributaries are Bhima and Tungabhadra, and the major sub-river of Godavari is Bhima and Tungabhadra. Okay, these two are the main sub-river of Godavari. Okay, so dear student, Godavari also occupy the large area of peninsula. Okay, it located in the basin of river Krishna. River Kaveri basin flows through the state of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, and next river is Kaveri. Okay, Kaveri river basin flows through the state of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. from where she flows which state? कर्नाटका एंड तमिलनाडु। के वो कहाँ से बहती है? कर्नाटका और तमिलनाडु। इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मेजर रिवर ऑफ पेनिनसुला। इट इज आल्सो मेजर रिवर ऑफ पेनिनसुला। इट इज अ रिवर that has been harnessed for irrigation since a long time. So on the Kaveri rivers, okay, or you can say the water of Kaveri rivers, our state government means that Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, okay, both use the water of Kaveri for the irrigations, for their agricultures, as well as they use the water of Kaveri, okay, to you can say create or to make electricity, okay, or we can say for the irrigation since a long times. So on the water of Kaveri, okay, rivers, they made their dams, okay, means they are using the hydroelectricity. They are using the hydroelectricity of, okay, of the water of Kaveri. So as well as they are, you can say they are using the water of Kaveri for the irrigations from the long times. So okay, in this video, dear students, we have seen the rivers meeting in the Bay of Bengal. So dear student, tell me which rivers are, you can say, to meet in the Bay of Bengal. Especially we have seen Mahanadi, Godavari, Kaveri, Krishna. Okay, these are the, you can say, east flowing rivers. And in previous video, yesterday video, we have seen the west flowing rivers. That rivers we have seen which rivers we have seen, you can say Tapi, Narmada, Mahi, Sabarmati, okay, Luni. All these rivers are the west flowing rivers. So dear students, the coastal river in Kerala have long extending backwater near their mouth. They water bodies locally known as kayals. So the coastal rivers means those are the coastal rivers are, those are the, you can see, coastal river in Kerala have long extending backwaters. उसको बहुत long extending backwater near their mouth, उसके mouth के ओके पास में ऐसा backwater होता है. Backwater means silent water. Okay, these water bodies are locally known as kayals. और उसका जो water bodies है उसको उस एरिया में या उस पर्टिकुलर रीजन में या स्टेट में उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कयाल्स. वे आर इन केरला. केरला में उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कयाल्स. मीन्स दोज वाटर इज साइलेंट, मीन्स नॉट इज फ्लोइंग वाटर, इट इज अ साइलेंट वाटर. ओके, नियर द माउथ ऑफ कोस्टल रिवर्स. नियर द माउथ ऑफ कोस्टल, जो कोस्टल रिवर्स है उसके माउथ में जो वाटर रहता है, ओके, मतलब जमा हुआ पानी है एक साथ, साइलेंट वाटर, उसको बोलते हैं कयाल. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वे वी फिनिश थर्ड लेसन्स. So okay, dear students, so you have to complete all this homework. All this homework will write in your notebooks. Okay, in this way you have finished 3 lessons, first, second and third. Next video we will start 4th lesson, climate. So okay, dear student, today's for all this. Okay, so I hope you will understood these third lessons. Okay, thank you.